The cure. When you are weak, when you are down,
oh yes you do.
When hope is gone, He will meet up to.
Wealth cannot be transferred if you have poverty mindset. It cannot be transferred if you are not given any room for expansion. Wealth cannot be transferred to the poor. Do you understand that? That is where I want to round off. Wealth cannot be transferred to the poor. You know why? Poverty is here. It's in the mind. And then when somebody is poor in the mind, he will not create a means for transfer. The transfer of wealth must have a medium. You must have what? A medium. If you are, what you are doing is frying granules, and you have not expanded to have the possibility to supply, the wealth of the Gentiles cannot be transferred to you because there is no means for supply. There is no means for transport. Am I communicating? You are a child of God and you have not positioned yourself, the level of education, in what you are doing, the business you are doing. You are not the best in it. Wealth will not be transferred. If you are not thinking, if you are not coming into the presence of God to ask God to do inquiry prayers, to know the exact instruction, what you need to do, wealth is transferred via instructions. Wealth is transferred via specific instruction. He must tell you what to do. There are certain things you must do that other people don't do. Remember the case of Joseph. What was transferred? How? Starting from the giftings he had that he used. Remember I said that having skills or gifts, they are not just enough. Talents are not just enough. You must have to make use of the talent. The talent you were given, that was given to you, you need to do what? Trade with it. And so because of the people Joseph ministered to while he was in prison, that was his money waiting for him. He has already done a business in the prison. Though the money did not come immediately, but he was waiting for the appropriate time. So when time came, he was called upon. And when he came, he gave specific instruction. The interpretation of the dream of Pharaoh followed an order. He said, this is what you are going to do in these 7 years. Like the instruction I gave. He said, now is the time to save money. Whatsoever you are spending, bring out 20%, keep. Everything we have, be bringing out 20%. Nobody shall touch it. There was a person I talked to. He was facing a challenge and I called him. I said, now, you see, you have been doing good. You have been giving to your brothers, giving to sisters, solving problems. But there is a level, there is a platform you will stay to solve problems. You don't solve people's problem when you are in problem, when you are in trouble. I am a pastor. I will tell you to give. But the truth is that there are levels of giving. You don't solve people's problem with your capital. Too many people have solved problems, carry their families with their capital. Even in the giving in the house of God, you don't carry your capital, carry what you use to do your business and give it in the house of God. That is why you must make money in order to give. There is a purpose for which you must make money. You make money for the house of God. You make money for the work of God. Whenever the work of God comes, there is an excess. Money is flowing for the work of God. So, but you don't now carry all the money. Buy an access. You are supposed to invest in a business. You are into transportation, you need to buy a bus and you don't have any 1 naira. And you say, I believe God. I am not counseling belief. And you use all, even the one that we have borrowed from people. God, I believe if I drop this money, I am waiting. The person goes home and begins to pray, God, the money. let 100 folds. God is not a money doubler. Am I communicating? Tell your neighbor, God is not a money doubler. That is why too many people, when they pay their tithes, they will be waiting for God with God. I have not seen anything, no. Let it come 100%. The other time I paid my tithe, I have not seen anything, no. He is not a money doubler. You give out of responsibility. And you make money out of what? Responsibility. There are things that are around us that you must solve. As a Christian, you must be a giver. And because you must be a giver, you must create wealth in order to do what? To give. But you don't carry all that you have and solve somebody's problem. It's just like somebody that, there was a young man who went to the stream. His brother fell inside the water, almost drowned. And he shouted, "Oh, one more, evil," inside the water. He doesn't know how to swim. And the water also, he was getting drowned. Went to save somebody and you don't know how to swim. So by God's grace, the two of them were saved. So you don't save people when you don't have a means. What God does is to bring you up first and empowers you for others. Am I communicating? That is why I said, if you don't have money to a level that you have the one that will take care of your family, take care of church, take care of your extended family, and there is one for troublemaker making, you are still poor. Is it sounding strange? People must have to find trouble. You see, know their size. People that will not tempt you because they know your size. But there are people, when they see you, they want to find your trouble, because you must run away from trouble because you don't have the capacity. But there are men, when they find your trouble, before all of them will be released from the police station, they will see you, leave that one that calls himself a Christian. That one is a troublemaker, leave him alone. They will leave you alone. Am I communicating? Do you know there are certain truths we need to have? That is why we have army, we have police. If God will give you materials, give you blessing, give you natural resources, He will expect you to create security, create guards around what He has given to you. Do you understand me? When God gives you something, He expects you to take care.
When hope is gone, He will wait up to you. The cure. Can I hear you sing? The cure. The cure. Everybody say the cure. The cure. The cure. The cure. You are on to the live broadcasting.